I hope you're doing well, and in today's video, I'm going to share 30, yes, of my favorite fall outfits. It's basically a compilation of some of my favorite fall outfits from the last few years, and I'm going to be showing you the outfits, of course, and I'm going to be talking a little bit about each one. Not for too long, since there are 30, and I don't want this video to get too long, so I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find inspiration for whatever fall weather you're having and whatever fall events you might be attending. Have fun with those, by the way. And now, let's get started. So this first look is a bit of a mix of prints. It has plaid and leopard print. Leopard print is still in, by the way. But I really like the combination of leopard, which has a lot of neutral colors, and plaid, especially gray or neutral plaid. Because I just think that they both have neutral colors, so they work really well together. And yet, it's a more unexpected combination. So I really like how that worked out, and I've actually repeated it since that outfit. But this was my first time trying it. And to make it work, I'm wearing a leopard print top and a plaid blazer, as well as a leopard print tights to match the leopard in the top, and pairing it with some more neutral pieces like a denim skirt and black boots. This next outfit also has plaid, but in this case it's a plaid shirt. And I find that plaid shirts work really well, especially in the fall, to sort of dress down a more dressier piece, like the dress I'm wearing, which would have been a little bit more dressy if I hadn't worn my plaid shirt over it. Now, the plaid shirt also has some red in it, so I'm matching that with a pair of red gloves and a pair of red boots. This next look is a more typical fall, or rather cold weather outfit for me. It has a black and white sweater dress that I'm wearing with a pair of black boots and some leggings for warm. Now, since this is such a basic outfit, I like to spice up an outfit like this with a statement necklace, which makes it a little bit more interesting. When I first saw this skirt that I'm wearing in this outfit, I knew I had to have it. Unfortunately, once I had it, I realized that, despite the fact that I thought that I would wear it all the time, it's actually really hard to style a bold skirt like that. But I finally figured it out and styled it with warm tones to match the warmer print in the skirt. So a blazer, a cowl neck top, and a pair of brown boots. This outfit is for those of you who are having milder fall weather. It was one I wore in early fall some time ago. Here I'm wearing a long-sleeved white floral top with a denim skirt, which is a pretty standard combination. Denim skirts work with everything. And I'm matching the white on the top with a pair of white over-the-knee, is that correct, or is it knee-high? Socks. This outfit has another difficult skirt, but surprisingly easier than the previous one, just because it has so many colors that I can pull from. In this case, I'm wearing it with a cream sweater, and the skirt does have some white in it, so yay. I matched the sweater to that, and I added some warmth to the outfit by wearing a tan shearling jacket and a pair of tan boots. So this is a look I wore for spring, but since spring weather is very similar to fall weather, it works for fall as well, so I thought I'd include it. There will be a few more outfits from my spring times in the rest of the video as well, but again, they work equally well for fall. To the outfit. There are a lot of gray tones in this look, which is what pulls everything together. First of all, there's the gray leopard print dress, which is pretty much the statement of the outfit, and I'm pairing that with a pair of gray boots and a warm gray sweater, which is a little bit cropped to show off more of the dress. In this outfit, I'm wearing one of my favorite fall and winter fabric types, which is a velvet. Velvet was really popular a few years back. I think it's gone quite a bit down since then, but I still love it, I still wear it, and I think it's a really great fabric because it's very luxurious, fuzzy, and warm. So, all good things as far as I'm concerned. In this case, it is a velvet dress, and I'm pairing that with a silver scarf to warm up the outfit a little bit and make it more interesting, and matching the gray tones in the scarf with a pair of gray boots. The statement piece in this outfit is definitely the red floral dress. But since the floral print actually has some black and white in it, I'm echoing those colors in the rest of the outfit by pairing it with a white fuzzy cardigan and a pair of black boots. Another outfit with some print mixing going on. I really like to mix prints. I think it's a lot of fun to do it, really. It allows you to create different combinations that you maybe wouldn't have thought work, but end up working anyways. Here I'm mixing plaid with floral. And I'm wearing a long plaid tunic, I want to say. Probably. Maybe it's a dress. In any case, something long and plaid. And I'm pairing that with a pair of floral print leggings. Now, since the leggings have green in them, I'm echoing that with a green belt. And since the plaid shirt, top, whatever it is gray, I'm echoing that with a pair of gray boots. Might be a little bit hard to see in this picture, but this outfit was actually monochrome red. Monochrome is a great way to go if you're not sure what to wear, because all you really have to do is pull pieces in the same color family. And it's almost guaranteed that they will work well together because the color family pulls them together. So, in this case, the pieces are all red, or within the red color family. So it is a burgundy sweater, which might look a little bit darker than that in this picture, but it is burgundy, and a pair of burgundy boots, red jeans, and a red plaid scarf. This is a more recent outfit, but I really liked it, so I included it here. It again has leopard, which is pretty big this season, and last season, and probably will be for many, many seasons to come. So, a leopard print top, and because the leopard print top is in the green color family, I pair it with a pair of green ankle boots, and to add a little bit more brightness to the outfit, I pair that with a light denim, and matching the light denim with a light blue cardigan. Another recent outfit. This one is with a green pair of leggings and a graphic tee. It's a more casual look, but casual looks are also important, so here we go. In this one, I'm wearing a pair of green leggings and a graphic tee, and warming up the outfit with a light cardigan. Plus, it just helps to lighten everything up a little bit. And on my feet, I'm wearing a really comfy pair of combat boots, which also help to spice things up a little bit. This look is mostly dark denim. And I tend not to wear denim on denim a lot, but here I am doing it. In this case, it is a dark denim jacket and a pair of dark denim jeans. I then lighten up this outfit by wearing a light green cami, a pair of green earrings to match the cami, and a pair of green ankle boots to match all the greens. We have hit the string of recent outfits. This is another one. This one has a lot of green. So, a green sweater, a green layering top underneath, a green scarf, and a pair of green ankle boots. And all of that is paired with a dark pair of jeans, because a lot of the colors are dark in this outfit, so the dark jeans work well with that. This is a look for warmer weather, if you're still having it. We're certainly not anymore, but maybe this will work for some of you. Here I'm styling a light green dress with a pair of lace tights. Since the dress is a very light color, I think that the light colored tights work really well with it. And I'm continuing the light color scheme by wearing a light cream belt and a pair of light beige shoes. And for a little bit of warmth, I added a brown jacket. This would be a monochrome black outfit, except for the pop of color in the form of a pink, or coral rather, blazer. I actually really like to go this route sometimes. I'll create a pretty much monochrome outfit. You saw that in the previous outfit as well. And I'll add in one other color just to break it up a little bit. If you don't like monochrome outfits, by the way, this is a great way to alter them to perhaps fit your style if monochrome outfits are not your style and something like this is. So in this case, I'm wearing a black dress, a black belt, and black boots, and breaking all the black up a little bit with a coral blazer. Ah, shearling. Fuzzy and soft and so warm, which is why I love to wear shearling jackets. And in this case, I am doing just that, and pairing it with a gray top and a red skirt for that pop of color, and gray boots to match the gray in the top. I believe this is the last from my string of recent outfits in this video, so if you're a little bit bored of this part, stay with me. Outfits that you probably don't remember are still coming. This is another casual look that is perfect for a hike or just a walk, because it's both casual and comfy. And what makes it so comfy is a pair of leggings, red in this case, and a pair of sneakers, which are very comfy pieces to wear. And of course, to add a little bit of warmth and match the red leggings, I'm wearing a red fleece sweater. And the piece that I possibly should have started with is actually the black graphic tee, which has a little bit of red in it. So the rest of the red pieces in this outfit kind of work around that. Ooh, this outfit reminds me that I haven't worn chokers in quite a while, and I should get on that. And I will. This outfit has a lot of mustard yellow, which I think is a great color for fall because it helps you to blend into your environment. Be a chameleon if you're into that sort of thing. Clearly I am, because I'm wearing this outfit. Here I'm wearing a mustard yellow sweater and a pair of mustard yellow pants. They match each other, which is why they're in that outfit, but I'm also breaking it up a little bit with some black pieces. So a black layering top underneath the sweater and a pair of black boots to match that. And of course, my mostly black choker to add a little bit of extra spice to the outfit. This is another fairly typical outfit for me because here I'm wearing a faux leather skirt in black, which is probably the color I wear most often. And I really like to wear faux leather skirts because I think that they add a little bit of toughness and edge to an outfit that just a pencil skirt wouldn't. But that's just my personal style. You could always wear a pencil skirt instead. And I'm matching the black in the skirt with a pair of black boots and giving a little bit of a pop of color, it's still a dark color, but pop of color nonetheless, with my green sweater. And you can't see it very well, but I am wearing a necklace, just to add a little bit of extra spice, making the outfit a little bit more interesting. We have another monochrome outfit. This one is monochrome gold, or monochrome mustard, whichever you prefer. Here I'm wearing the same mustard pants you saw a few outfits back, and I'm pairing those with a yellow-toned, gold-toned sweater to go with the whole gold theme. And my final gold piece is a pair of gold ankle boots, and that makes the monochrome outfit, which is why the outfit works, because all the colors are within the same color family. This is another look for those of you who are in warmer climates or having warmer weather right now, because again, I'm wearing a pair of lace tights. This time I'm pairing the lace tights with a denim skirt in gray, not in blue, but gray denim skirts I find are just as versatile as blue ones and work with pretty much everything. And to match the black in the tights, I'm wearing a black top, and because that black top has a little bit of red in it, I'm wearing a pair of burgundy boots that are over the knee to add a little bit of extra work to the outfit. Ooh, I remember the day I was taking photos of this look. It was so windy and I was desperately struggling to keep my hair under control. I think most of the photos didn't work out, but this is one of the few that doesn't have me looking quite as wild as the other ones. In this case, I'm wearing one of my absolute favorite dresses, which is a long polka dot slip dress, and making it more fall appropriate by wearing a cozy lilac knit on top of it. To spice things up a little bit more, I wore a nice long necklace, and to match the dark colors in the outfit, I'm wearing a pair of dark boots. This is another outfit from spring that works equally well for fall, especially I think because of the rust color of the cardigan that I'm wearing, which is a very fall color. My cardigan is the brightest piece in this outfit, but I think it still works pretty well because my top has some warm tones in it, so it matches that. And I'm also wearing a pair of warm-toned ankle boots to continue the color scheme. And since the top also has some white in it, I'm also wearing a pair of white pants. Despite the sequins in this outfit, it's actually one that I just wear for a normal day out. And I think that a lot of people keep their sequins for special occasions. And I used to do that. Actually, I used to not wear sequins at all because I just thought that they were too dressy and crazy. But now I wear sequins whenever I want to, and this just happened to be a day when I wanted to. And to make them more appropriate for everyday wear, I'm pairing them with a pair of black pants that are more casual, and the more casual black blazer to match the dark colors of the look. And of course, a dark pair of boots. Here we have another statement skirt. And this one makes an even bigger statement than the previous ones, just because it is also long. So, since it does make quite a statement, I paired it with pretty neutral pieces. So, neutral pair of shoes and a neutral, just plain black turtleneck. I couldn't leave it there though. I had to spice the look up just a little bit by adding a white necklace to match the white colors in the skirt. And we have another monochrome outfit. This time, monochrome black, which is probably the monochrome theme that I go for most often with my outfit, just because I wear a lot of black. You could always wear monochrome outfits that go best with your favorite color scheme. In any case, here I'm wearing a black fringed dress, and pairing that with a black blazer and a pair of, surprise, black ankle boots. And to spice the look up just a little bit, I'm wearing a gold necklace because I think that gold, silver, copper, all kinds of metallics really work with any color, including black. And we're almost done. And this outfit is another super casual one. It's basically one where I'm wearing a hoodie that I might normally wear at home and making it work for an outdoorsy outfit. Or rather, for an outfit that I might wear to take a walk or get some groceries. And I'm doing that by pairing it with colored denim, which dresses it up a little bit, and matching it with over-the-knee boots in the same color, which is gray, by the way, because I find that over-the-knee boots just generally help dress things up a little. And this is the final outfit. This one is a pretty warm outfit in that I'm wearing a lot of layers. So basically I'm wearing a light colored leopard turtleneck, matching the light colors in that with a white jacket and white leg warmers, which I know are not that popular anymore, but again, another thing that I enjoy wearing, so why not? If you have something like that, including leg warmers, possibly, wear them if it makes you happy. And to add a bit more color into the outfit, I'm wearing a pair of olive pants, just because I think olive is a really neutral color and works with pretty much anything. And keeping the neutral theme going, I'm pairing all of that with black boot too. Just add another neutral color into the mix. And that was it! We have gone through all 30 outfits. If you are still here and enjoyed this video, ooh, thank you! If you want my next video of this sort to be shorter, please let me know in the comments below. If you want it to be longer, well, that's feedback too. Let me know in the comments below if that is your preference. If you enjoyed it just the way it was, or would prefer something else but still enjoyed this one, then please give this video a thumbs up. It really means the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. After we've been through all of that, you should probably know who I am. My name is Ekaterina, and on this channel, I share a video every Friday related to fashion, style, nails, and on rare occasions, something else. If you like that kind of stuff, consider subscribing, and you'll see more videos like this from me. And one more thing before I go, I'm sharing one positive thing from my day in each of my videos at the very end. And today's positive thing is going to have to be that I'm going to spend the evening doing fun things with my hubby. We haven't done that as much lately, so the fact that we're going to do it tonight is kind of a treat, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait. Please share something positive from your day with me in the comments below. I'm always happy to read what you have to say. Reading positive things always makes me happy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Be you, always. Bye!